Welcome back to Tugger TV. I know I'm gonna post a while now. I'm telling the truth. I've been an idle. Yeah, been an idle a bit. Yeah, but I'm back here now. Yeah, I'm wanting to continue support the movie. Big up the Liars fans them. Been away to me drop a new movie. Big up the people them and keep them post notification. They'll answer to it. You see me? Me there see me, I'm not gone. You see me? I'm back here now and I want to know watch the story to the end. Tell me, because it's a really touching story, so tell me how am I doing another one. And comment, no honest comment down below as usual as I say. Big up on yourself, talk us to that.
Dance I go last night. It bad your backside. I'm going with myself as a girl.
Every night today a party. You not plan for change?
What for change?
You can't party so you're not even at work. So your parties more than where you get money.
When we get money?
Because you just stay a party and not work.
Me no need for work.
And that's the next thing too, you're not afraid that AIDS out there hard, you know?
It's not here right now.
Yeah, it's not here right now. And a good you be good living and use protection.
No about me on the party. And my business that the party.
Me realize you need to tap, you need to change, you need to do better. Because this now growing away.
You're like you're perfect.
Me not perfect, but me I do better than you. One man me have.
Look at your business. One man now rule nowadays. You have to have
You
10
soon
man.
know. You soon know. You soon catch belly and know why that is.
No worry about that. Me never stop take my pill them. By the way, how you sure say you alone your man have? When?
Well, all if I know me want him have, we use protection. So any girl him figure out there, he must know where him want
catch.
catch.
Good as all one girl because she's right now. You see like
That's a
I
fiend business, that's up to him. But me know what me I do and me know so me protected. You not protect yourself, you not do nothing.
So you have one man here. Where your man use protection for?
Because me can't trust nobody in a so time around.
It no make no sense you're there with demanding if I can't trust him.
What you mean?
Make no sense.
Me there with him, yes, but me no know what I do, me not know him there now. So me can say, oh, him there church. Me can go say him there church. No.
I don't
me not
know.
swear for no man.
Your business if I want to swear for man, me know. I have whole heap of them and I'm not swear for none of them.
That me realize you have whole heap of them and you're running it hard. You behave like you're a taxi or you're a chichi bus.
You know I bus them got mobile. Me one of them one day.
Apparently.
Hot breath.
Look here. You need to stop the way you do. I'm serious now. You need to stop it. You need to behave better.
That's what you want.
Me your sister.
How that affect me? On my life, me a big woman, me live my life how I live it.
But guess so, you live your life.
You know, count on mommy for me, you know. For some mommy know what you. Me not like we don't know.
You need to stop. Because if you don't stop, you'll get what you look for. You soon know.
Thank you, girl.
What?
Me there here.
You good?
There's nice stuff.
I am my sister. Me there talk to you, but she not here at all. She not here. No matter what I say to her, she not here at all. I'm tired to talk to her. I hope you not do like she, you know.
So I didn't like she.
So you rub for your nose, so?
Nothing.
You go on here, so much subject you get there?
Girl, I'm not get no subject. Maybe if my daddy sit to me, that maybe get one or two, but I'm not get none.
And then you tell me, so you not do like my sister?
No, I'm not do like your sister, mama. Your sister do foolishness. I'm not do them the foolishness thing.
But you ain't get no subject. You see me always talk to you, no me talk to you well, but you don't listen. You don't listen.
What do you mean by girl? Sometimes I have to just do something and say sorry.
Say sorry. So what sorry bring you now? What sorry bring you now?
No, yeah, Edman. So get through.
Get through with one.
In our life, I want to run the job, girl. So, then I go home.
I'm soon gone.
Oh,
I'm soon gone. We just sit down and say I take a little breeze and I say that the picnic didn't even listen to nobody. So at this point, it better me just making God and go do what I do.
true. I can't stop people from doing what they want to do.
And you know what I say part too? She all on me. And I'm me a fear till I write. And you see them there sitting there? Big girl, bigger than me, where you expect say a little one for a leader straight, I bigger wanna do it. And they say children do what they learn, you know. But me glad me not do what me learn from she, you know, cause if me did do what me run from she, me then I run my body red. Red. And me can't, me no in it. Me no in it at all.
So, girl, I'm not for smoke. You can't buy me a cigarette or one
Just see me a
special.
smoke.
So, you can't buy me something.
I'm for buy you, I'm
$100.
for buy you.
I'm Mataran.
Me not buy Mataran. If you want something for heat, me can get you money and buy you if
Girl,
you
I'm
want
not
for heat.
hungry.
Well, me can't support your smoking or your drinking. And that's why you're there scratch so cause you can't even keep steady.
Nerves are go, man. Must have
Yeah,
to
it's the
calm
amount of
down.
things in your system you must go. Stop smoking. You say it make you scratch like you have
Girl, you can't know me just want to live in it.
what?
Wow, look how I'm gonna see
You
you.
say you good do?
Yeah, me alright. I see a glow one thing.
Yes, man, that's all I agree with me.
Yeah, really agree with you, girl. So we are doing what so.
No, sit down, me just not talk to my sister and my friend come here so and I'm talk to her now, me see you.
Oh, I don't know what to do. Anyway, as I don't panic when me did I walk go.
Oh, go on later.
Yeah, do your
Next
thing, girl.
time,
Me
yeah.
see you.
Yeah.
So, she your friend?
Yes, I'm a good friend.
Girl, that ain't a friend. That ain't a friend. You tell me about me a catch because I'm fit up smoke, I'm fit up this, I'm fit up that. You have top keep them friend. That ain't a good friend. See, if I tell her A, she gonna say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. She not say A alone. She gonna twist it up, mama. Them not a good friend for have.
Well, as far as me say, she never really called back my name, so anybody else name when she call back, I just fear her business and them.
Mama, she not call back your name it. Just give her a little time.
Well, me we know if you caution her then.
Yeah. So anyways, me I go down the road go look at Craven, you know. So, you
That's
see you
all you
now
good
later.
for.
Yeah, man.
Why you no young girl?
Marika,
Morgan.
go girl long time. I not see you good.
Yeah, I'm good. Where you go?
Me not really go nowhere. And you me didn't want to see for the other day. You know I say you show up your money at the end and share the money good because I not get no share right now. I mean here say yeah, give out share and I spend share. Someone know that go.
Mama.
Because I'm supposed to share everything.
Mama. It's one time. I get the money other day. Me never get no share. I want my ex-man them call me and give me a money. I know for your money. And the money where we go on that the mission. They send another mission for me.
No.
Why?
Me just have a sense say you go around the thing. I'm not like when people go around me. Me not understand. We didn't have business together. We supposed to share the money.
Girl, me your best friend for a long time. I can't do me this.
Girl, me know say me your best friend for a long time, you know. But me here want a little birdie. Me here want a little birdie I talk about how you like you share if me get for me share. Me I said no, me no get no share. And I'm me they tell you all I mission them there. Cause all you do is just go do the work and all of that.
No. Me never get no share. I'm more do that to you. A fire you come from.
You sure?
Yeah, but sure.
God just push it down while I go cause you tell like.
No. No put that in this.
Anyways, me not a new client I come up with, but I want a client now because I broke a little money will give me good and a little bit of money. A little bit of money.
My little friend, I can't do me that. You have to give me a rush too. Anything you want to do, me have to do it too, you know.
Yeah, man.
So,
When me get to a new client, me get a second chance. Oh, yeah, wonder, say this a time or two. We not this I do the last time, we yeah.
We not think if we do that again, cause
No, we
me
not.
not like for you go my bed and a fret. You can make me a fret.
None of that again. None of that again.
Me have one, me say, girl, me have one rich white man. See one rich, our.
Hold on.
Hmm?
Hold on.
Who? Oi, come here. You come here, come here, realize say enough. Come here. We all look for this, so.
I want to keep me last, right? As me see me, I look at me see.
No kill the day, so me have some custom. Me hear with the talk about. Come realize the funny other day say.
Me not hear nothing. Me not hear nothing.
What that? What
What?
that? What
Me
that?
not
What
hear
that?
nothing. Me not hear nothing. Nothing me not hear. Me not hear who. Me not hear nothing. Nothing me not hear.
No matter what.
Wait a buck.
What is?
What that?
Me not hear. That means I me don't hear nothing. One of that said, me must say me dumb.
You're dumb.
You're dumb, you did just a chat. Oh, that makes sense. You're dumb and you dey talk.
I never said the same about out of my grandmother.
Me not hear nothing.
She not really have no
said
sense.
the pan. On the female.
Wait, you don't say no sense, Riri?
Me don't hear nothing. Me just have look for me key when me laugh.
Alright.
No key in the yaso. Look down next to no key in the yaso.
Come me look at me see that so.
Ah, I'm on fire. Ta. Yeah.
Me not hear nothing.
You're not.
You see that little girl? Eh? Watch her again to back. So you get like a coffee in ears. You say she go sing when I in the air.
Sing cool. We are you not sing?
No, me not tell you so. You come on. Watch her. She just love chat. Me raise the funny other day, you know.
Murder, me say.
Oh God. And where you come from?
As what?
How she wanna bigger?
You come out of the argument when you come in and talk to your sister, me and talk to.
No,
Where
she
you
coming
come
on my
from?
mouth.
That me should have days. Where you come from?
Where me I come from? Hello, you look up at me and me a big woman. You don't ask me that. Me older than you. You come from like a bigger one than this. I'm did about my business. How that affect you? Where me I come from? Eh? All the thing you do is sit now was well be and you come and question big woman. And me make money in this. And me make money at night time. And a daytime. So oh you are come ask me where me I come from.
From yesterday, guy, you come back to today? Then me must ask you where you come from. If I left me out this in the morning, you just come back?
Me a big woman, that's for sure I'm a big woman. Nobody don't ask me, you're my boss? You're my boss?
Me couldn't be a boss.
Stop that shit with the little girl, make the girl move, no man.
Alright, get up, go on.
If I do you, you're not chatting with
You're
her.
lucky, you hear? You must know. You must know, yeah.
If you make she start take things, if you make she start do.
What? Me so convinced her to do this. She not ready yet. She need to look more time. Wait, man, wait. We can wait. Let me think first.
Think about what?
Branya, what do you think from Branya?
And let me talk about money right now. You talk about the busy boy paper, give me your money.
Oh. At that one.
$400. So much you have?
$100. $500.
So yeah, they sell done this up for $500.
Every make come up. I give back your want.
No man, give me man. No man, give me. Yeah man. Thank you. Me the funny other day say the money I get shorter and shorter day by day.
Boy, you're lucky, you know. You have a good party. So you can lend me $200.
No.
One.
Me come get me yard no. Me no like what they go on.
So just come.
No man, me think you that give me something heavy, something big, but no.
Give me $200 not to me, I beg you. I'm agree. Murder, you know say a mad thing I go on, you know. Aye. Well, and them go call back. Come, sister come to me. Must hungry. Aye. We want to. She said a plan for change. So tell me, sister.
You have to change, you know, you have to change. You have to step up and do better as a big sister.
Listen to me, sister. You understand what you're saying? I'm about to take your advice this time and so felicity and so forth. You understand?
But you can't just tell me say I gotta take you have to do it.
Sister, you know hear what I say? I say me go here, me hear what you say and I'm go listen to you. Don't worry about you, you listen to what you say.
Make sure you listen. You see your friend and no friend them they fi keep.
Alright, you see, you go tell me to listen to you. But you can't tell me friend them off a keep. One step at a time. You want me to change my lifestyle? Me change my lifestyle, but you can't tell me it have a friend them off a keep.
You can't change your lifestyle with that different because of she influence if you do things.
Yeah, me say me so call her back. Alright. Mm-hmm.
As she influence if you do things, so you can't change your lifestyle with that different.
Sister, as me said before, you listen to what you say, and you can't tell me friend them off a keep. But anyway,
You must know, you know. You must know. But me tell you, say, anything reach you, you're going to take it by yourself.
oh
'Cause me
really?
no- yes, anything you share, you alone are going to stand with it. Because me
Alright.
not got business. You probably shed little tears here, but that's it.
Alright, sister, later.
Gone.
Mm-hmm. Me done too. Can't tell me what to do.
Mom,
Bestie.
Wagwan.
What?
they have a girl break you out.
Then the chat about that. Where from?
Come on, road.
Ready?
Yeah. Never claim for another whip. You know how me a whip you out. That's part of that, Mrs. Say now, because I'm come over here, you know.
No, talk to my sister did that talk to me this morning and I tell her so me change answer.
Me a 3 man one time, girl. I want bonus. Come on. 3 man one time.
Mama, the one that eat turbo. I never know. Answer.
Oh, God. Never again. Me not take up so much client again.
Mama,
I not take up so much one time.
me never know say so much of
What me not understand? You and you every day only get up and run on the body red. Unu run nobody, unu have us, unu not have no car, unu not have no money. Wanna get out and run on nobody red.
Come past the girl. Listen to me.
no,
Listen to me.
violence partner.
Listen to me. Every day you run your body red. You don't have no money, you're broke.
We
And then
need
you
your face
over
now.
the start oh, me broke, no client, no this, I look for you.
Hello,
You
me hold on.
No,
Me
man.
hold on.
No.
No.
You can't do your hair, you can't do your nails, you can't do
You don't follow me,
you can't.
No, me see first, girl. Move first. Let go from me now. You remember me do to the last one? You remember me to the last? Watch it.
And ears you go catch. Syphilis.
Girl, go on now, girl. Me,
All you, I be a thing the man must be like girl mouth.
What? Girl, let go from me because you like girl body dusty and me sinus act up.
man, a bacteria come out for me, no, cause me no
Me
want
tell you
to
the next thing. You remember we do to the last one?
No, Kayla, you can't talk them sitting there on the road.
Hey,
Relax yourself, man.
That girl know who me be now. That
Relax.
girl know who me be now.
That time I talk, no, you can't make people know the things that we do. Make them take we as that the type of person where they having at their head. You can't just dip on the road and I say, remember we do that.
Shut up. Yeah, this. Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Yeah, what make girl like diss me, bow my body, girl like diss boy your body, you turn up, I play calm. Yeah, idiot.
Because me no want no violent.
Girl, you say if you turn up for yourself this proudly. Me I said I'm proud that you can't bring me down. I lick my lick in her face. Come on, come on, go get your girl. Come on. You don't understand how to do.
Hello. Yeah.
Come, we have a mission right now for go pan. Mission. Get up my before mission, money, mission. Hurry up, hurry up.
Hold on them, yeah, come.
Go on.
I want my
Hold up, y'all. Oh, Lord. Well, I will spit at it alone when we get this teeth put it together.
And I tell her nothing. So the same man I run it down for.
Look at your money. How much money I get?
I'm counting.
Me back to him. How I'm rolling.
For this. You tell me one line, get up.
You think you know when we don't come so far?
I'm not. When I send the pass.
Look how much he nearly catch we. You never hear the bike something wrong with the ears?
Income right I get what we did there now. You don't realize that, Mama?
Mama, me realize everything.
I'm not telling a lie.
But look how much money you give me.
So one more day.
Thank you.
But girl, I'm not telling a lie. I'm kind of afraid, you know.
Me say, girl, I see the man yesterday at the bank account out on one bag of money. I mean, I did one other client, you know. Yes. Me decide we have to rob him.
What?
Where you do your money now?
I don't know. I forgot to invest in a something. What you did for you?
Yeah, invest in some business. If I can take this a little bit and turn into something big, I have to put on my ears like the girl him. So, how they say all this can say so?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Come on.
Yeah, good on.
Riri. Hi. Me can sit down? So, a while ago me I come from up the road can I go collect some from somebody. And I see a sister, she a come to US. Me don't know where they get so much US from. She a one next red one.
What you mean?
One next tuku
When my
one.
sister get money from and she not work.
I must thief them thief, you know. But all the thing I see them I do, I count out money. I do like them tired too.
Wait till when she come down here. She mean, because me know say she not work and me don't know where she get money from to go count out money. So when she come down here, me and her.
Yeah, you need to ask her. Anyway, that I can't tell her to me go back on me yard. No matter go tell her say me say no. Me don't know nothing. Alright.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm so glad. Well, go on, sister.
Where you come from?
As what?
Where you come from? Make you see up the road account out wally for money. Where you come from? Where we get money, wally for money for your account out?
My word. Lady. No, which one are we bigger?
It no matter
No, which one are we bigger?
Where you get the money from?
No worry about where me get the money from. Me a big woman, me a no pitney. Me have to work for what me want.
Which work you do? What kind of work?
No worry about what kind of work me do.
Exactly.
That's not your business.
Exactly.
All the thing you do is sit down in yard. See the look. You want something for yam, and my money make you yam. You want something for whatever, do anything you want to do on my money. See there go poor boy knows other day who give money. You pay your boy your ears 3 times who give money.
You, but when
the blouse where you have on and the chain where you have on who give the money.
You.
Exactly. So no question me. You hear? Alright.
So girl, what your sister say about the situation?
She not go on the most way. Every time I talk to her, she go on the most way. And I can talk about oh she buy me this and she buy me that. Me not really stand up, you know, because you see what she do for me.
Yeah.
Me not really. Then
So
what
what the bigger one?
No, she the bigger one.
Well, girl, me don't know if I tell her say no because she a go on like say she big, but she don't big.
So she older than me, she go on to her.
Well,
the situation she feed me can't really stand up about me, you know, because if she top do what she do, me no hungry. She say I work, me don't know what kind of work.
well, so money. When me see her with there. Anyways, where you say I go an idea, girl?
Not a thing, we just play us a still and I say. Probably we don't go cook. What you are gonna do?
Mom, I prefer go and bar, go drink some rum, or go out, go get an ice cream.
Well, if you go buy ice cream, then probably me come with you.
You don't know two girl named Pekisha and Tekisha?
No, what happened?
You don't know say a girl and go in and place and thief much $1,000 US dollars.
So
well, if they thief your money, you know just go back, go work again and get another and get some more money and uplift back yourself. And I feel like better.
Miss, excuse me, what is your name?
Riri.
Riri, you idiot. You know, in a sense, you know much 1,000 million that in a Jamaican.
I'm say, me don't know who name so. So best thing is wow. Manners. That boy don't know the manners, you know.
And if the girl and take away money, why am I come and ask you if I will take your money? You know who take your money?
He try go look for who take your money, because don't me take your money, cause start brighten himself.
And that's him figure do one with figure alone. Anyways, you see, I that me a talk about me no yeah.
That's why I don't run trying to joke, you know. Nobody can call my name say me thief their money, because me no walk and thief man money.
Can I tell
And
you?
any man me a day with them happy and them happy give me money, because me now go just see their money put on and take you up.
Me neither. So if anybody thief him money, better go look for them.
But Pekisha and Tekisha.
Who name so?
Try go look for them. Girl, come on.
You need see them when them are there, even not there with them.
No see girl them.
Well, come here, we'll go buy your ice cream.
Girl, what's going on?
Me call like me over here with your mama. About half an hour me call you.
Girl, I'm not girl.
What you do?
I'm a business woman now. From me get that piece of food there.
So,
Me a
where you
business
start
woman.
doing the money?
Me start invest, mama.
You know what, mama?
Big business.
Yeah.
Look at me. Me a big time business woman now. Me start doing a little fenke job there now. I left a 5 street cause.
You do big business, right?
You see
What?
what happened? Top go road.
Me? I can't tell when last I got there, mama, after what happened. I not even know if man I search through his head.
He can't look for me, he can't find me.
Me not
A wrong name, me tell him.
After me not tell him my right name neither. Wait. So we tell him say your name, mama?
Tekisha.
Rotted. Me tell him say my name Pekisha.
You know why my name Tekisha?
Why?
Cause I go fi take the man them
Which
money.
is right.
Money.
But
So,
mama, how much money me dey give again?
that's what I said.
So what kind of business you say you start?
Mama, me start one salon. Whole heap of things, girl. I can't tell her my business.
Wait. What you mean you can't tell me your business? Look how long me up on the road, mama.
Alright, girl. Not
Years. I know you make one look for $4,000. You want come go on like you want this
me
me.
have one Suzuki a come. You know them cheap there. One second hand one.
Me not understand you know. Can you get $4,000, you know?
Yeah.
So how the hell you buy Suzuki with
Remember, say me
$4,000?
tell you, say. You say me put the money here, so. It is small, but I tell you, make it come big. Me invest in something.
So you invest in her?
This Suzuki.
Suzuki.
Yeah.
You know what me feel like something fishy about you.
You fishy about me. You smell
Like-
under me.
No,
Just
I'm
smell
not talking about your vagina.
See, I talk about
No,
fishy
about your
then.
vagina. But me feel like something fishy about your mom.
No fishy about me.
Why me feel like you're not sharing money right?
Girl, you did it. Remember the hard time for the share money, mama, and I thought we did it run. When we got hard time.
But remember, so me always there back, mama. And you take people like
And not
money.
my
you know.
fault you're too big where you can't run. Is that my fault?
I this me?
Me not dissing, I'm just talking the facts.
Mama, I conversation done yesterday, no come get your yard.
No, mama, me I relax it a little bit. So what you do with your money? Me don't talk woman. Talk about yours.
No,
what you
me
do
not
with
bother
yours.
tell me I do with mine.
Sis,
What go on?
talk to you in the house a little bit.
Huh?
More talk to you in
Who?
the house a little bit. You.
Anything you have to tell me right there so in front of me and my friend. It all we listen, me no want go in that house. Anything you have to say it yes or no. In front of me. I want to you. Take a foot. Well, me not even know if to call you. Take a drum foot.
Not ginger fly that.
Or ginger fly, whatever you want name. Me not talk to you. Yeah.
Well, when they out there, so sit down. You see, and one bike man just ride up sudden self and way. And I can ask the 2 girls. One named Pekisha and one named Tekisha. So now look so.
What you mean? Oh, we are
Now
look
the wrongs.
suspicious,
So.
so.
Yeah, but the man money time I look through now.
We don't like tea.
Hello, wait. No, that have to ask him. What my name? Marika. What your name?
Kayla, me know.
Don't. So you want to ask me about Pekisha and tell me not even know your name them. What they mother did that thing? They sound like them a twin. No?
I ain't call talk about if I we. You like a thief to you?
Oh, me can't come and say, mama.
See, I come to
You
if I.
so now look on the one in the
Mama go on in the house and excuse for you, so. Wait. Yes, when I go in there, don't make them all go sit down on my bed, you know. Because when she got people yard, she ever catch her ass on people bed. Because I don't know if I wash under this from morning.
Me know you know if I wash under this, I can't if I walk and I tell nobody.
What go on? Mama. Hey man, me tell you, some never want to do this with you, you know. Me tell you, some never want to do this, you put me in a problem.
Put in a problem?
You make him look for me.
No.
You see, make him are you him look for? No, you name Tekisha. Boy, you come to take. My name Marika. Conga ya yard. Go on.
Mama, if you start talk, it's supposed to go book up on me, man.
Me no business with you. Go on. Me go start bleach.
You know what we go do? You think more bleach? That not
no, go runway.
We can't run no man to go fly. When they doing us, look how far we go take him, man.
No, we have to left from your son.
Mama, we go get rid of the man.
We go.
We knock him out and tie him up and starve him. We fi get rid of the man.
Ma, all us they don't so we can't time up down there, no. But we gonna get back to him, man. We go screeching pan him one of the evening or morning.
When they will sneak up on him and knock him out. Cause then our area.
So he can't lose his memory.
We can hire somebody. And when in the panic bag, we can make somebody kick you over with him.
You got to find. Yes. Right this one, girl. Right this one.
We're not afraid.
We're not afraid. Come on. Yeah, later.
Yeah, this car look like on the mini pro box. Yeah. Hello. Come here now. Mom.
Wait there, now you other day right there so bun up on the bike and this me. And you come and call me now?
Well, I meet up on bike and this. That's somebody else, man. What me this say?
Yeah, they had about how me not even quite remember what you said, but
that mean it don't matter then. Don't worry about that, man. So dude.
No, me just walk with them on the road. So walk along. You find the girl they met?
I don't find them. But how far down the road you walk go?
Right down at this shop, I go buy something.
Oh, I'm gonna carry in a beast too, but show you walk, I don't know really nothing. Can't walk with something. So yeah, David.
No, I'm just there.
No, I'm sitting for drink.
Yeah, buy me something to drink?
Of course. Or you can carry back something for me to drink.
$100.
Girl, I say I buy you something for drink. I never say I buy you something for eat too.
Alright, me wait with you.
So what's your name?
My name Riri. See money on a job.
You know auntie man?
Actually.
I realize. Riri. So how old are you?
Me? Old enough.
Old enough. Old enough so I can get your number.
Yeah, me can give you.
That me I talk about. Alright, Riri. Yeah, where you see you then?
Alright. You can call me too.
Boy, more than oranges are.
Boy, my boy, Nico.
What, my girl?
What, there?
Long time I not see you. I'm not company road again. Start stay home now.
Good best thing you ever do.
Yeah, your sister good now or she still going with her foolishness?
You know, she never change. When you talk to her, she says she change.
So you plan to do, girlie?
Me not do nothing but that thing, sir.
No, with the sister me talk.
What me for do
you
with
go continue make she rule you?
Remember she older than me, no? So what me for do?
His name no sound good on the streets too. But
me only want no mind not on the streets.
You can't buy more craving here.
Me tell you, so me not buy no cigarette, you know. But me I go buy you one still.
Yeah, give me money. Why they see I for your money?
Yeah. No, you see, me no want you to come back with me change, so me we go buy you. So me soon come back.
Hurry up,
yeah, come.
No, sir, me stay for your way.
Well, me soon come back then.
Alright, hurry up.
Yeah.
Well, you come get from the birthday party to your school.
Girl, where you come from?
Girl, you know what about hope like not where I come from. Not the birthday party me go. Where you a go?
You know, see a shop me I go do or something me I go buy.
Yeah. Anyways, me have something to tell a girl, you don't know what to say. The man, you remember the man with that pass from the back and ask who Pekisha. See me out the road a while ago, girl. I look me. I'ma give me number.
Girl, an opportunity for you. And him say him have ball for US over there. Go get some of the US instead of make you get them teeth from him.
Well, maybe get some of the US and I go give girl I make can carry out you.
Yeah.
A girl we go get Rick's face.
Yeah, girl.
So girl don't worry yourself, I'm gonna shop US to me and you. So we supposed to say I go over so?
Yeah, up I shop up there. So
Alright, may I go stuff, so get in.
Alright, later.
Allow me there wait for you.
Yeah, top smoke. Me tell you to top smoke.
So you buy it and then you crush it out.
For sure, you have to top smoke, you have to top it.
So after you buy with your money, you crush it out.
Yeah.
So all that makes sense.
You know, make sense, but either way, top smoke.
So
Come go up.
So what I'm on the road, you never
Come go down. You don't
you run me a yard?
Yes, come go down.
When last I see a dirty friend? The one named Riri.
What does have to do with you?
You call me, tell you no. She go put you in a fool. When you go in a wall and then see him cook there, you go call for help you.
Me not call you, no. Me not call you, because you can't even help yourself. You know what? Go on here.
Hello.
Hello?
Where you pretty ladies going to?
Navi,
Come on. What?
what happened?
Girl, if you're so familiar.
How
You just tap them for accent.
Navi, how
Me as the girl if you're so familiar, but me can't pick up from it. Like me I tap them and ask them. You remember the girl when me I tell us a thief my money?
Yeah.
Pet and text it none of that.
But then the girl their name so?
What their name?
One of them named Marika and one named Kayla.
No man, I them there girl, me sure about it. I them the girl that thief my money.
Many I hallucinate because them the girl they don't name Pet or Pet, they name one name Marika and one name Kayla.
Riri. You idiot, I them the girl, me don't know if I that.
Okay, me not really business because me know what the girl them name and you know what you know. So let's that alone.
Like you know where they live. You know where they live.
Yeah, me know where they live.
Sorry, we come by my bike, then you know, I've got to tell them much. Come on, man. See the girl, my girl, that take me much dog.
I don't them. You don't know the girl them. The girl that don't name Patricia, whatever you want to call the word. One name Kayla, one name Marika.
Yes,
So let's fall for that no. Me sure.
so how do you do?
No, you're alright. Where they going on?
I pass. But let me tell you, it kind of get flat. Somebody ask the girl if they know which part in your style shop there.
Yes, one day up the road.
And if I run in there and go up there for show me away. Come here.
No, I know that they must show you.
How they show me?
Yeah, just pull up on the girl them so. The girl them no must run.
No, I style man. But I saw we just pull up regular now.
Anyways, come on.
Come on, man. Follow me to the tire shop and tap on this.
So friend, what?
Watch out. Then how me I go so far?
Is that right?
So them are not going
right.
to
That's right. Them come up for a mission, man.
hello, ma'am. How happen?
You do?
But you gonna run bolt to go in the house and lock all the door?
No, you listen to me right now. You see, if nobody come here and ask you, I want you live here, tell them say you one.
You're there.
Yeah. All this handicap here.
You're there.
Tell them say you one live here. No mention say you have a sister. You hear? I send to them here.
Yeah, come in.
Hi. You. Come. Pack it up. Come go your yard.
Huh?
Come go your yard. Cause nobody will come hard and pull me with the two of you. You must know what you do. And anybody come in me I tell them say there cause they not catch me for you.
Listen to me.
You want me put you out?
Well, me we go along, but we are not catch me
Then go
for
on.
you. Go on your yard.
Tonight is
One at your yard.
Later, yeah, girl.
Go on your yard.
So where no run from? Shh.
You must know you up to your ear.
Listen to me. Pack the bag and go find somewhere rent. Because this house, I see this house, soon and soon somebody are going to come tear it down town. That not right, here? That door right.
So make you a crash and a galang.
No man, the one when me born today did hot. The one that is healthy.
You sure say I send you your bun?
Yeah, tell you the truth, say.
Yeah, you need to go check out yourself.
We need to check out what your sister do. You see them a run.
Me soon find out what she a do.
And you want to leave your body while them a put you in a me gun before nobody can kill me.
Me gone to you now, cause me want not turn out here.
Don't care. So what now?
I'm just there. I don't go for a look relationship ago.
Yes, it's going good. So, you alright? You don't look alright.
Tell you the truth, me alright now, but the money what me missing it stress me. And every day me nice when I look for them girl there. Every day car. I swear me nah make the money that go down your drain so.
Well, all thing me have to tell us is that you have to just... So, what you going to do?
I'm planning in my head, man. Me talk look for them.
You want to look for them?
Yeah.
So, okay, that sounds better.
I top look for them. You pay one man to look for them.
Eh?
You pay one man to look for them.
So, we are going to get money for pay a man to look for them?
I have another bike. So I just all sell it. And pay the man. And that man, they have to find them.
That do not make no sense.
What do you mean that make no sense?
It's time we are going to pay one man to look for two idiot girl to just get back one little bit of money. Better you just take your money and go find some constructive though. Better you go take your money and go start one business.
Business can't come after. Me have to get my revenge.
No, sir.
My life, right? That's what me have to get my revenge. I'm all about my money. Every single dollar.
Well, if they're not able to find them, what you going to do?
Don't worry about that. But the man find them, then we chat about everything.
Why? That be not one moments. You have to just low it. Because you don't gone bad already. What if them use the money, done the money? What you going to do? What you going to do?
I'm stuck in my ways, man. I will not meant to choke money. Believe me, I have to get back money.
Well, I don't know if I convince you otherwise. If you find a girl, I'm just so.
Actually, I don't even know the amount of things me have planned for that Monday. And you come attack.
But I can't go make other money. You rather put yourself in a danger. What if you... Why me didn't know what to
no
say?
Danger. Me is the danger.
Yeah.
You have to be aware of that. You should know what before they take my money.
Jesus Christ.
But Jesus alone can help them.
Not even like Jesus can ever come. If Jesus could have helped, Jesus would have helped a long time.
You help them, make them get it. You help them, then carry back. Let me find them before.
Well, I hope I don't find those girls, because boy, I don't know where you go to them if I find them.
Me myself no know. Me myself no know.
Why? Here
We're still in time. After a fuck. So one of my time I know babes.
Alright.
I look at appointment.
Okay then, later.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Maybe call you.
Okay.
Girl, what happened?
I'm there.
Oh God, they just still not so.
Because I'm in the house hot, I just feel tormented. I feel like I take up a breeze.
No, I feel like I want to take a walk then.
Boy, at this point, better me coming up. I'm see what I do right now.
Come man, come on, go walk with them man.
Right.
Come.
Oh, you, Marika's sister, come here. Me say I'm to come over here, now, but I show me some difficulties on the road. So, where Marika dey? Can me call her phone and I get her. So, I like if you could tell her, say me call her.
Friend, day when me see you already, because bulls come in our house, so I may run you guys your yard. I don't see her back. Are you, me shouldn't have asked where she there?
Me don't know where Marika dey. I'm for Marika dey. No, yeah, Marika live in our house.
No, you America there on the road every day. No, you America there everywhere.
So you know how long since Marika missing? You know, report it. What happened? What happened to Marika?
Miss her, me don't know what she there. Me fear ask you what she there. From the day you and her both coming in the house, no one not talk. What kind of thing you know here?
We don't know
Me
nothing.
tell her say no anything she get she go and take because me say
We that train.
search for her with no
We that train for Olympics.
only that train for Olympics.
So Olympics take away.
It looks so.
Me no know. I don't know.
So
Well-
you're never friend, you don't know who take off.
I'm for know who take Marika. Me left Marika Vineyard.
Well, since I'm in a train for Olympics, you look like she gone if you. So you need to go.
So Marika there.
Which way you say you know that train for?
Sure. We just start
You and her
exercise.
is the same thing. So you supposed to know what she there.
Why we do the same thing?
No, you and her.
Me and her.
What you ask me? Me would have asked you the same thing.
Hello. You better you don't move from so me tap in your head.
Stepping out of her head.
Me know Marika there.
Me, you go on here.
You know
better
Marika's
find her,
sister.
'cause anyhow, she not come back in by this evening. Remember me tell you say you me I go down the station go tell them. say
You
know
can't go
what.
to the station for me.
You me I tell them say you know that. Come on here.
That's a crackhead there.
I say, you see that little girl? In lying. You see, any see your sister by 12 o'clock tonight, you call the police.
I know. and
Call
then
the
me go and
police
tell them,
because
say,
me will carry the police
She
them up
know
our
where
yard.
me.
You see, that little girl there now. You see, when she and America running, both them are trained for Olympics. Or she not get through.
It look like America get you and gone.
Then there's some bad dealings, man.
she-
Father, can me wonder if I take with the man, take with Marika already. Jesus Christ, and gone with Marika. Oh, poor Marika. What wrong with you?
Eh?
What's happened there?
Listen to me now. From yesterday, you see me and my friend, I walk and you go call me cokehead. Me don't know cokehead, you know. I true me want my friends to say me they try change, but me never attack you about it, you know. So me they attack you now. Do something about it now.
How you just do? How you really just do?
Understand. It's like you know,
Hold
see
on.
what me just do.
This is one iPhone 11. You know, flat my much. How you just do?
You know, see?
Mad girl, man. You should run. Stop idiot girl, man. Hey. So my head chip right on me. I can't find Marika. Oh, no, don't put me in there, man, in here, man. Oh, bomba.
Morning. Yeah, I know, say. Me I come down, I come check you. And me see a little dirty sister friend. A little black one. After me they walk peacefully, you know. A little girl bunks me, you know. I mean, I eat and smoke now from man, he bunks healthy, you know. And listen to me, you know. I want you see her and want her, you know, because me say you bunks, so she bunks me, I lick me back.
There, job.
Me lick all me back. It's like you don't understand. Right now, me pain up. You don't need for one. One hour come here, I'm mad smart, you know. And me no smoke nothing for a week, you know. So you need for what tell her says, but when she come over, you can look for your liar sister. Or whenever she dep on the road, you see her, you tell her, say, me say, "Hey, leave me alone, because me a mad girl." Anyways, Eliad one not come back yet. He still dep on the run.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what
But
she did.
you don't even know if I run dep on her, then take you away. But
The next thing too.
me just come over here to tell us if you want that little black girl, you know. Cause the next day she see me and bunks me in a pinky. Me I tell her the truth, you know, me they take up some stone and fling, you know.
Then you should tell them I'm feeling after my business with you.
It's like you know, understand it bunks when me get put me back.
You should have get up with stone.
No, by the time me get up, a girl run. You know, say me I come get me hard. Cause imagine me come over here come tell say girl bunks me nearly all my back lick up. Instead of get about her chair and fling me a piece of old phone and come help me find the girl. You sit down. You sit down and go tell me say me never fling back stone.
Bunks too?
Mama, you're bigger than me, you're thicker than me, you eat no food. Me not eat no food.
So I cannot eat no food.
See right now, I don't go about my business. I can't bother with you. You see you're not a good friend. Answer to them, they drop you.
When me see her again, me beat her for you, yeah? Remember me wore one beating.
Girl,
What happened?
me there, so me I go and check you.
What happened? Me there?
What I got on?
Sit down here. Wonder where my sister she there.
What you mean? What's a chain a good mama? Come on, me job.
Me say, from what day me see she and the other one, Kayla, she bolt come in, right?
Yeah.
From that, me no see her back. After that, the day, me no see her back.
Girl.
And me see Kayla, she hot the day so. And she go ask me when me, my sister there. And she and I have the pan road.
Yeah.
Right?
Boy, girl, me tell you about a bad company there. You see that bad company there? When you Kayla, a bad company that. Your sister have to know better, so you report the situation.
Me afraid for gas station, you know. Me afraid for gas station. Me tired for one about Kayla.
Why?
For one her. Me know, so she know what she doing, you know.
So
I
where
know
you
she
think
know
do
what
her?
she
Where you
do.
think do her? I feel like I want to come and she gonna check her or something.
Me no know if a man she gonna take, man she gonna check, man take her away. Me no know.
Why?
Me no know.
You rough.
Cause the amount of things that they hear a road, you don't even know what to believe.
I don't lie. Girl, Kayla is a bad company. I'm been a talk to you and tell us if you tell your sister to come out of the company there. Can you see this and this me did a talk about you know this what happened now? Your sister can't find.
And maybe not talk to her. Me talk to her day in, day
And
out,
speaking
and she
of that,
still.
you know say the little man when me a talk to girl. The man stop until he find it two girl, let me know. He want to name Patricia and the next one.
Takisha and Takisha.
Eh.
Well,
Oi! America day.
me fi ask you America there.
America day, cause something really a go on the road that the man in America day. Me come to call her at the house now.
Mama, you don't see America no day ya.
Eh?
Where America there?
Yeah, that I mean.
Yes.
Who else if you talk to?
Mama.
You come and ask America. America from the day you take America out of yard and you and Bowl come back here, you find him? Olympics not call it yet. What day you me see girl, you know, girl I go tell me about how them that sign up for Olympics. So you like Olympics take America and not take she.
So you make Olympics take
Mama.
America and take you.
We just let her run. And she run come over here. The next day,
I know that you tell me. You tell me say we know join Olympics.
Yeah, idiot.
Me sorry Trish
Well,
there,
that's
cause me and Trish they go there, you see? She
me
dey tell me
dirty
about them
girl
join Olympics. Oi, and you see when me see my
Nice.
friend on the road, you more you leave me
That
friend.
crooked one there, come push me. She lucky say me never have the good energy that in the morning, yeah. In that dosar.
Then one of them I
I
tell
told me
like,
that concern.
Girl, at this
America.
point, you're concerned to go and look for the girl.
you want one flashlight?
Say that one, yeah.
You want one flashlight cause night how come and you not catch
I
my
want to know
sister.
everybody business. Where America there?
Mama,
Everywhere we there, you always there. So where America there now?
Mama, I don't know. Me America apart and me America they run all over the place and me America they tour down the whole place.
So people can go.
And me America go take man.
Look the girl.
Go on man, go on, go your yard,
Yeah,
go your yard. Can you come up here, come and ask America and I do America the fan road at the
man
time.
and they tour down the place.
Sit down.
Go and
Oh,
go
sit
look for
down,
the
use
people
that
them.
mother. You know my
Who
sister,
that
you know
one
nobody
that
to me.
You,
Maria said this morning, the world not hot for me, but the world not
you take a little time and
Go
go
on
and look for the
here.
people them.
Oh, you
Sit
better
down.
be see a tell spot she dey all the time because too me tired. I said me not hard
You
with them.
ever
You ever
Go on,
tired?
really
Oh, your
go.
body run hot, you ever tired?
In just a
Go
running
along.
body red, what you have in a life? No, for your foot or dirty foot girl like you. You all want a new hairstyle.
Continue. Continue, make me take this and knock you over. Continue now. Continue.
Relax yourself.
Continue.
And mind I broke your hand, cause remember say,
Mama.
when I broke your hand,
Take this
hungry dead.
Face, you know.
You're dead
Take
be
this
hungry.
face, you know.
Liquor, cause you're a bad girl. You come over me yard, come and come talk about this and that and whatever. Come out of me yard.
You know what?
I'm gonna find my sister that you figure do you come and ask every day for my sister.
Me not
Go
have-
find him.
Every day you run your
Go your
body
yard,
red.
man.
Beat out a little body, young girl like you before you go find one little work. Tell me now. Bad company should be bad influence.
And
girl.
every day she come and ask me for America and I share in America
Me dey
around
tell her, you know.
town.
But anyways, me I tell me little time what come go up my yard. Cause me no want
You better
them
wait a little bit before you go.
Me not afraid of her neither.
You're not afraid? Alright, go on.
Girl, later. Take care of yourself. If I know
Yeah.
you call me.
Go along.
That dirty girl so out. Alright, watch me on her. Me find something. Cause me not laughing no girl, but me a whore on it, please. Move. Move. Eh? A little dirty girl. All the thing good for in just a whore on your place, in just running body red. Eh? Ah, yeah. Hey girl! Hey girl! Who you call dirty girl? You see you? Who you call orange girl? Who are whore on the place? You just relax yourself. You chill the rest, you think you're big bad and who you call whore? Just relax. Who you call whore? Relax. Eh? Girl! I'll try her one more time. Cause it's not safe at all. Marika, thank God say your answer, girl. How are you there? Which part that? I don't know them. That's not how I name. Girl, so why you pick up yourself and run gone? No, sir. One hand, I may get for find out, say, the money. Why me even stash off a little bit for myself. I never that alone did it. Okay, so all along you there tap me on my back. Marika, may I tell you the truth, Marika? I go and do something where you go and feel it and I'm not going to regret it. You mean boy if nothing done that important? Remember, say you have your sister done you and I will look for the man and tell the man, say, how your sister thief the money, you know. I will look for him. You mean boy, me not do that. That's why I'm not afraid to do that, Marika. You know where yourself. You remember, you can hang up phone on me ears. No, sir. I'm go find a man there now. Yawa.
Girl.
Don't run.
Girl.
Don't run.
Me have to run, come. Me see something like you, me have to run.
Come here.
Last time.
Come, me not beat you again. Come. Good evening.
Where's that?
Me see a time, there one man. Yeah, you know him?
Yes, I'm a man.
You're a man?
Yeah, my man.
You're a man that?
Yeah, my man that. So
like I am man. You know, partying they come here say I give a work and thing. I'm not like to get a job.
oh yeah, me know spot in them. Me I got team right now, so I can't carry out. You come? Alright, come on now. Go on for.
You're not afraid of me. Me not bite you.
No, me not sure about that. Last time. You know what you do to me. Come on. Yes. So girl, I want to talk to you.
Yes. Yes, I'm here at your time. Please, want to talk about something important.
Yeah, give me a minute, please.
Sir, me hear in the street say two girls thief some money from you.
So, what you mean in the streets? I found a sitting I walk and tell people how you hear that.
Because me in the street, so me hear it. You see what I say? But the truth is that you can't tell. You can't tell nobody, you know.
Tell nobody.
Not even your woman. When me I go tell you, you can't call but my name and say me tell you.
Lady, me don't even know your name.
Don't worry about that. What me I say is that
But your face look kind of familiar still. May I talk before?
no, this a face here. I say this a face I know we at all. And that we are talking about your money.
You're sure?
Yeah, man, me sure more I get to the point and that will combo. We no combo my face. You understand? Because I want to move right right now. What me I say is that I know two girl rob you, you know.
More than two, girl.
No. A one. It's just that two girl did it at the wrong place at the wrong time.
So I'm at there run.
You make them run?
Yeah.
You see one man already done pound one bike, you not go run?
Would I ask you when I ride me down for?
No, me especially me with a run. But what me I say is that
So you hear somebody ride them down for a bike? You did it?
No, me never did it. Like you deaf, you know. Me I say in the streets, me hear it, things that talk. And me then I street, so me I go hear. But as me I say, me I tell you, I want brown lady.
What kind of brown lady that?
She brown.
I said that already.
Yeah, cause she brown.
She brown or what?
And then call her Pinky. She named Pinky.
So how you know say a brown pinky take my money?
Because it's Pinky in the streets, I me hear it.
Mama, you have to give me some more information on that. 1 million pinky were brown in the world.
Alright, me tell you what she mean. You know she part the rent house by Judith yard?
The big tenement yard.
Yes.
Yeah.
She live on the board part, on the back.
Yeah.
So just go over there and you just call Pinky. And no matter what she tell you say, don't believe what she say.
So you sure say everything you tell me right?
Yeah, you right.
Mama, I'm tell her this now. See if when I go around there to brown pinky will live around a tenement yard, Miss Judy tenement yard.
Yeah.
You better make sure say right information you give me. You hear me I tell her say? You understand?
Yeah.
So that alone you forward for tell me.
Yeah man, that alone, me go now.
Hold on.
What?
You know, so me only 100 grand for me though, so I can't really get that.
No man.
That money.
That good.
I'll see you again.
No man, you don't have to give me nothing at all. All me ask if you do, don't tell nobody say me telling you.
I never see you, I never have no contact.
Good. Alright.
Alright.
Hey, I wanna talk about salam.
Yeah, I thought about some real estate.
Me don't, what's your name again? Was it Kayla?
That's what you come from. Thank you.
Up the road, over the lane. I don't remember where she come from. You know, even the school like she. So, how kind of work? Yeah. I'm a friend, sister friend, some friend business.
Trying to get you in that good
So, nothing.
You see, I move right now, and then I look at things to do with when I road so that.
Alright, my go there, go over me and go and chill out. So if I not, you just call me.
That makes you look all an idea.
Oh, that. Oh? Oh, forward, my general. Yourself for going on now.
Remember the situation I'm there to tell about. I get some information from how do it, but I'm not told something. I want somebody to say, price has to cut in half. So you're all going.
Yo. No price can cut. A broad daylight. You should have given me more.
So you're all going. One girl.
True, me know you know. Talk. I'm gonna do it fast.
One girl named Pinky. Herself, she's a very nice brown. Run a program and fire out eggs.
Just tell me location, skin color, and name. That's it.
Alright, my G. So, Pinky. You live over me to the tenement yard right down the road. You know which one you're talking. Yeah, she's brown. She live at a back house. That's why I inquire about Pinky. You know, so she get everything. And I hold it for money me and pay.
Yo. So me do work. No, me have to call her for my money. You see, once me call her, just know say a page I get page. And you don't want a page out of the book here. You hear?
Stay up.
Do it right.
What's happening now, girlie?
So with the hope this, I'm still under the tree. You see a money, you say push you.
Yes.
I see you push her.
Girl, I'm telling you, there's a girl there, that pushy girl, push me, girl.
Anyway, she come and she up there. Girl, take up her banana on that tree, feel it really in her face. Me have to run her out her yard. And she did come and ask for me, but I record it again.
Girl, me want to use the bathroom. Me can't use the bathroom. I want to ruin it.
Man, and I piece up it and see.
Mama, me not do that. Girl, Pinky.
You reach the end of the movie, yeah, me know. End sad. No, but good than young. What am I tell you? Comment if no want to part 2. Let me see if I can lie part 2. Comment if no want to, but it's a very sad moment. A moment of silence for Pinky to pass away in the movie. Alright, you subscribe? Subscribe now and put the bell to all. Yourself.
I feel away. I feel like you might do something again.
Who that?
You mean man?
Yes, you're over that. Girl, let's see someone at your phone. Why you not go to him?
No, I'm not going to him. Girl, because I'm thinking about my bond. You know, I know say the other day, sometime last month. My friend cheat for me. You understand? So, me no go to you, make you know say me find out, you know. Me know saying do it, but me don't know full evidence saying do it. That I think.
Till you have at least one little single percent.
Yes, that's the person please saying do it.
Say no go to him 1% we have.
Because me go to him, I go ask me say where the evidence there and my word against him.
Oh.
Me no strong evidence. Just say me no go to him, me no have no strong evidence say yes he do it. You know, but I feel like saying cheat for me.
So you actually say I'm going to cheat back?
Exactly.
So how that all benefit him?
What will benefit him?
Girl, if you cheat back for him in the way, you just going to look down for you. How you think you are going to fit? How do you think you are going to look for you?
You know, look down for me because I did it more than one time. Me go see if they go find somebody who me see and like and cheat on my man. You cheat for me, I cheat back for him.
Mama, push and down have the same look. What a man can do, a woman cannot do it and still be a lady.
Mama, me go be a lady because I go do it with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Me I do it with one man.
It even make no sense to us like that thought.
Well, I'm so
stubborn.
No, me make up my mind already. I can't change my mind. Watch out now. You see, when I cheat on my man, you know what I go and do? I go and show him how to cheat and don't get catch.
So boy, you get catch.
How am I get catch? Good like me and your friend. When me over there, so you see me come and say, woo-hoo.
So me I was siren.
Yes, watch, girl.
Oh, you get out of it.
Girl, you get out of it. Get one man, look man, you know one man.
Every day no want me.
You know why no man no want you came miserable?
Me not do business. Me not change that.
In a different lifestyle.
You must know where you have a side, man. You must see I go out of port where you have to take a 1-4 taxi.
Girl,
I could have never yourself.
I have to show you how me determined say me a give him and he have to feel it. In your so me then look the man. Me not go out send James send me here nowhere.
God
right here so me a give Peter bun. Peter go and feel the bun. Yes, I tell give Peter bun. You go and feel it.
I suppose you feel it.
How me feel like that?
What Peter left you?
Peter can't let me tie Peter like a glue. Peter can't do it up.
No believe.
I mean not get catch girl. I mean not get catch. Peter need me. Oh. What's in your head?
It's even me like you. I find Peter here that me they ask him about you. Anyhow he feel like he want to lie to me. Me they box him down.
Girl, look for me. Me can be Peter. Look how Peter big and look.
Give him one kick and give him one kick underneath.
Peter now feel that. At that me I tell my foot them not so strong under Peter tough. I can't kick Peter. Peter has no farm and weakness. And so me I say,
wait till him asleep. So what kind of
no, tell me if you go like Peter. When Peter go so Peter go boom. Me knock out. You not help me now? You say me go beat man.
How me fi help you?
You go fight him then, for your friend.
Because
me not understand why you talk say me go fight man. And that's the business in a man. Here Peter feel like a young boy here that day.
Mama, you have to stay strong. You want the man beat me instead?
Girl, you stay strong and fight man till I am married done pan ground.
Mama, alive. You have to defend yourself because nobody not defend you. Can they take lick from man?
Well, me not beat no man. No man go beat me, mash up me get wrong. See me first. If you lick me, me a
Mama, we are woman. We can't get wrong. We are one type so you go in front of the police or court whatever and dry up in your front.
And that you do?
Yes, Mama.
When you burn down the boy house and nothing no come out of it.
Mama, you have to use your front as bait to get through in life.
And that's why I go and use my front and make Peter feel bad.
If you did that use you, we don't make nobody go in there who do so bad and too bad.
No worry yourself. Any day I see one nice good looking man coming up this road or coming down, it's gonna be
so
mine.
why you have to be this road? You don't think you can go through the lane, up the lane or so? Why you choose to use in the lane?
Girl, we can make a find my man and Peter go feel it. Peter have to feel it. If I see the man every day, he will feel it down to the bone. So you know
like you already have your man, you know.
No, me not have the man.
So why you know say man then in the lane where I go like you?
Awa, me don't look like a bill. No man don't want me. And you donkey bike out of marriage showing on no man.
Mama,
you
Mama, me don't have no man by
gorilla.
So better me get a man before a week done.
Get a man, make me see.
Alright, if me get a man, you not go Peter no bun.
No, you eat that man. Me get a man before you even get a man.
Alright, we're going to see so we can get a man faster.
You know someone get a man before you?
Why?
If a man see up the road right now, I say to you, say hi. I see you go to the time, man.
And that's what me talk.
How you talk? I say your soul.
So what you want?
No man, no one, nobody with a show.
So what you want me say?
Hi, baby, what?
Come over here, so.
I just said, no man.
Mama, me I get a man before a week done.
Anyway,
where you go for a good?
Where man stretch my legs, you know, I'll start looking man. I stretch my legs and
oh,
look at man.
I think we need to come with you.
You know, I say I go fire man.
You know, binoculars or whatever I want. You can't find man right
okay then. Just say you go.
Alright, come on, come on.
Fine, man. Fine, man. You want like your heart. You are good?
Yeah, man, how are you?
They alright?
Yeah, man.
So, this is smoke. You eat from morning?
Yeah, man, meet something while ago, man.
Oh.
How is she?
I'm a friend.
Hi, friend.
Hi.
So you can pay for your salt and reach us, sir?
I just see a man just tell me that you road to me miserable. My face now all your skin up.
So, how you look so?
Me ever smell shit?
Shit not there, man.
Look like she hungry.
Probably like that.
Saying you, where the fun?
My partner not talk. Probably say me that walk go, but my foot kind of reach over me yard. I don't know why.
So you go up the red go do?
So I go probably go look for my cousin them. Cousin that I look for. Yes, some of them say me I come get check. I don't know it over yard do.
No, I do not hobby. I know that already, man. Leave it go up on the line. Just so easy but one one
first. Me know you know. Cause me spirit tell me say you over here do something. So me follow my spirit and my mind and come
So
over
you
here.
come see me or do something?
You lean back in the chair, that's
I'm gonna
all.
one first.
Mm-hmm.
So you tell me say your spirit, I tell
Remember,
her
see you
wrong.
sneaking, you know. Me feel you're sneaking.
That about then, me change. Me tired to tell her over and over and over.
No,
You're
man.
hard to learn it.
No, me have a feeling say everything you change your clothes and your underpants when you go bed at night time. Otherwise, find that you don't change nothing.
Where you say did I go a while ago?
Up on my cousin them.
Right now, you better you take time go on here, man. Because you just
Mr.
man, yo, just link me back later.
So why every time you can up your face and me talk?
Mama, don't involve me in your issue. Do me, I beg you. Me skin on my face because me smell shit. That's why I want to left you so. Sure.
Where that shit there in my yard?
Shit, they are something true.
Any shit that is you put it there when you come. All shit
Mama,
fit there in my yard.
This because the thing can ram still. Come, hurry up, man.
And I push there in my yard.
I let me want to know. This is this yard.
I must say I push the shit.
Push the got people yard.
I must say I push
If
the
you
shit.
come on me yard, yes, smell shit. Me, I look for the shit.
Me not look for no shit because me not put no shit there.
Mama, come on. Come look for your so-called cousin. Come,
But,
come.
it's so come back here.
Yo, not stay long, you know.
Me not tell long, but they come back and say, me still not do nothing. Me a watch you. Me a hear them in my head back.
Say me there wait for you.
And me they watch you.
Yeah.
And they wait for me.
Better hurry up, come back.
Me,
Yeah, dude.
I don't want to talk to you.
About what?
Something about me from the other day.
What about you?
Me not trust you. Me believe say you cheat. Me get straight to the point.
You don't trust me. You know,
Yeah.
you say me say trust dead.
Sure.
Well, me got you forward to I said thing. Want tell me not trust you either.
If you don't trust me,
What you mean? That the friend that we are par with, bro. This girl bestie thing, bro. Me not trust you, bro.
sure, me tell you. That I don't know. You don't see me with one girl. That is nothing.
Bro,
Me have evidence. I have evidence. Me go in your phone when you are asleep and me see which part you can one girl come over here. You say me and this somebody they come.
Who tell her that?
And in your phone you they text your friend and tell your friend. Say this somebody still a come.
Well, this a relationship probably something I have to go get done. Cause me not trust you and you not trust me. Cause this girl bestie what you have, me not trust her.
You see when you come off a girl bestie. Me I talk about the information me seen in your phone. Where you tell your friend things.
You sure you see good?
Oh, so me blind.
Oh, probably one of my friends them a text one and girl them from my phone or something. I don't know about that. Me know me loyal and me not cheat.
I see, that's why me name want to come to you, you know, that's why me name want to come to you. Okay, they go find excuse. That's all they give me over and over. Excuse this, excuse that. Alright with you. You must talk it truth.
Bro, me say me loyal, bro, me not cheat. Where you get that from, bro?
And then your phone, me see the text message.
I know me want to use my phone, you know. Tell me idiot when you see that in my phone.
Last week, Friday, 9:30.
Last week, Friday.
Yeah, I remember all the time too.
After last week, Friday, me never online. And if I'm a friend when him Tom did that text him home, let me look. Bro, me leave a bother going on my phone go show you now. Cause you're not supposed to feel a second guess me, bro. You know say me not go nowhere. If me not there in my house, bro, me run this up on my phone already, bro. But you know, with that different thing there, me not trust you, bro.
You're lucky, you know. A friend in here.
Me
Friend.
lucky.
I'm here invite girl over here.
Friend come with a any no. And me not trust her. Me not like her either.
You're lucky enough to like her.
She come in me yard and she a skin up her face and push shit in me yard. What kind of friend that?
If she smell push shit, where want she to say?
What puss are doing in me yard?
Me know about that probably like girl we can come and piss around the rank.
You love judge people. Stop judge a book by cover, bro.
No like talking with you, you know. You just chat too much sometimes. Me I tell you, say, anything you do, I shall find out and catch you in the end. Mark my words, you know. Oh, you know, say me not laugh.
I hope you catch me good. Catch me good. Up on my phone, man.
Who that?
I care that girl.
Come in. Yeah, come on me at early in the morning, Conde.
Girl, me finally get you from your face. Me finally take you off. Oh, God.
It's morning light.
Oh, God, I feel much more better. More up on the road, I'm gonna feel happy.
Mama, what do you know?
Me tell him. Sometimes he might give me a ball. Me tell him to me search your phone and see the message. Me tell the boy.
So what you say?
But girl, me still not trust him. Guess what?
What?
Dog, dirty boy, they go give me one big old dirty excuse. Get the excuse and give me two. Friend using phone. Like in things I yesterday, me ban. Me tell them, I want to go to him, you know. Kind of go find some silly excuse and try to take me for
So how you know say no friend?
What friend I do with phone? Friend have phone.
So boyfriend not no phone.
This is something I really say. Me what if you and him a friend or me and you a friend? Cause ever they on film side.
Oh man, it's not a matter about the on film side. You have to listen to two sides of story. I can't just listen to you alone and say, alright, you me a work with. Suppose a friend for true. Me did have one friend when me did live down some. Me and I used to share a phone. So you know when I share a phone, it didn't friend for true.
You need to share a phone with a friend.
Why not?
If you're letting a friend on phone, make a friend delete the message him after I'm done. Come on,
man, now nothing to hide.
Well, yeah, something to hide, because I see woman message in there. I mean, I remember me still a game bun. Just not find the man as yet.
I just not care, you not care then.
I not care.
As in not care, that's why I just do it until I see a friend.
Well, me no know. Me just believe saying I give me bun. Me feel in my spirit tell me, you say me go over yard. I'm a spirit if I go over, but me I wonder if you not smell the poor shit. If I just stink, I want stinking girl that smell.
Mama, I shit me that smell.
You just see the shit?
No?
I want who me should ask him about that. I want me if I want woman did over there yesterday.
No, you did not tell me say no shit in the yard.
Cause I never see no shit, I never smell nothing. So I wonder if you turn on the side of the woman there. Oh God. Girl, me
you don't know code. Me tell you say shit. Look out for shit. You don't want to look for the shit.
Me dey go give him bun.
You should have looked for the shit. You don't see shit.
Me make up my mind now. Me fully make up my mind. He might give me bun, me go and give him back. But I see full evidence he might give me bun.
What evidence? The
text message.
Oh, the text message.
The evidence is my head. My head and my mind and my heart tell me say he might give me bun and I eat me at work. Me don't need no more evidence. And then he go tell me about friend again. And then come talk about you know want me and a friend. Girl, me go on the road right now go look at man. You're lucky. Might give him bun.
Make sure I send some man down where you have your
file. I want mad man, he might get bun.
Alright.
Hello, pretty lady.
Hello.
I'll be a minute.
Yes, sir. Why have to fix your bike on the roadside?
I will talk back down on the roadside, so I'll fix it right here.
Oh.
They can return right here from my place.
Where?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
You pay me now? Oh.
Oh gosh, man, make you a big smile.
So you come from?
You know what I like here.
Yes.
Right here I'm come from, man. It's a person. Where you come from?
Down the road.
On your road.
Mm-hmm.
You look very nice too.
Thank you. But I will go on my way now.
No man, I'm not finished yet. You must have done.
Yeah, fix the bike. It's out here to talk to me. Yeah, fix the bike. Make up your mind. What you say now?
So what is your name?
Oh, my name is Kayla. What's yours?
My name is David.
Hi, Davi.
Nice to meet you, Kayla.
Nice to meet you too, Davi.
So where are you heading to?
You know, so me had me go?
Yeah.
Yes.
You hesitate to say something like that, you go somewhere else.
No, me that remember where I come from.
Where are you going?
Lay down and sleep and watch TV. What else could I go do? Me I go do?
No. No, so I'm not really appropriate now. You see me with my bike broke down and sick. You see, I like you still. Couldn't get your contact.
No number to do. You have woman?
I know, man.
Say so I contact you then.
I know, get to know you. Maybe tell you thanks later on.
Come to your big tour.
Oh.
And your name. Your woman fight you and beat you? I
want dog run me down. You catch me on my big toe and I drop and skate on my knee.
Oh.
Like me, I rode so like in a show and bite on my big toe. I drop same time.
So your face no bust up?
Because I do soccer, so come to hand me go and chop out, because I do soccer.
Come again, my contact.
What is?
iPhone.
Sheila.
Yes, scale of my name.
Nice to meet you. Can't wait to see you later.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You look strong too.
Yeah, man.
Bye-bye.
Come here. Sheila.
Kayla! Kayla! Oh, Timmy, what?
But Kayla there.
Nine hours.
Look for yourself.
Oh, I think she did that here. She
Kayla
me
left
call
your
up for.
man and say you had her go somewhere.
Now Kayla I'm gonna find you. Alive. Let me on him.
Yo, I say your friend like.
Most, but then I'm on him. I must see my somebody else gone for the word. So what? I'm look up in the house. So.
They are with from home one brother to come and know she can't forward.
Oh God.
So
Lifestyle.
like a joke thing.
You know, I go on the road.
Go do what?
No, I mean, I can go somewhere.
Go do what?
Every guy go do now fun, drink, smoke.
With you?
Yes.
No, start drinking and smoking come with the whole heap of things. You know the
Stand around.
You know the that.
Why?
No, you're not up to where you're up to.
Why not?
You think me an idiot?
No, fool.
Me go on the road, me probably have to spend money. And plus probably after you do and do good. Me know the pan where you the pan.
Stand around, good exercise, I can practice.
How you come for the look me or what? Are you come
No, wrong. So like you want me look, you want me look you?
No, sir. Loyal to my woman.
You know what I need? You need that woman for get like a time. See right now, she gone left you. She gone left you. God knows she gone. You use my name as excuse. But for me, it no sense.
You know what you need to look, you know? Go through my gate, leave, please.
Me I don't know gate, I rent the apple.
Rent down or you still live somewhere. Where you live?
Me, I got it.
So you're so happy.
Because me come home to my wonderful boyfriend I have at home.
Wonderful boyfriend.
Yeah.
Where that come from?
I'm very comfortable from my friend Shanice. So where Shanice me I come from? Where was before they come from, baby?
Which one is Shanice then?
How much Shanice you know? The
What
one
do you
from
mean
my
about
arm.
Shanice? You're sure where you come from?
I'm from what Shanice, yeah, me say me.
Where you take me for? Idiot or fool? Which one?
Sure. Where make you feel idiot or fool? How about Shanice me say make up, where they come
You
from?
don't have idea about man.
What me do?
Shanice left her 5 minutes ago. Come and call her, ask for you. So how you feel come from?
She come down here? I don't know if you say. I don't know if you say she come down here. And after me left her up there, she come down here.
You take man for clown.
No, me tell her. You come like she walk at the shortcut and she me walk all the way around. Come here, try to go to the store. To get some new underpants and some shorts. Come here like your cold and something.
Yo, you don't want nothing Friday, man. Can you come like you take man for you?
What a lie she a tell.
Don't touch me.
Let me see the little dirty girl there.
Don't touch me.
Yeah,
Don't touch me.
you understand? Up there, me say me a come. Who you gonna believe? Me or she? Which one we a gonna
No,
believe?
she, cause she come here not too long, 5 minutes ago. Why? Come and call you. So how you feel come
I
from?
bet you say the dirty girl like you want me. I say the dirty girl there. I say if you don't call people your friend.
Yo, you know what to? Come out of this bomb.
Yeah, no.
Yo, don't touch me. No,
Me.
this bomb.
Say the little dirty girl Chinese. You know, come on, man. Talk to you later. Hello. Hi, darling.
Good. What going about that? That's his father. There, man, the elephant.
You see me have to just, brother, you don't even know that, right? I'm stressed out, bad man.
What going with it?
But the girl, brother, give me problem, brother. I have some trust issue with the girl, bad man. Brother, you don't even know if you start all this.
No idea. The man girl like with that. You like it sneaking. They say you have to dip on your P's and your Q's with them a girl, bro. You see, they say them a go shop. Just look out here, they say they reach downtown. Then they tell them a program.
Brother, I'm fed up and stressed out now. I see me girl move somewhere for a while, bro. I'm paranoid, I'm skeptic, bro. Because I don't know if I trust her or if I don't trust her.
Boy, man.
Bro, alright. What do you tell me say my link in friend deal?
Yeah.
And friend come call me. Call her ask me for her. And he say my link in friend. So what kind of style? I believe say somebody else man she have for me, you know. You just
She
say,
say
well,
she a go link her friend. And her friend gonna link you for
yeah.
her.
The friend where she says she have a link. Come call her.
That the thing says the next man attention she a get, you know.
Right now I'm just a play fool to catch the wise, you know, that. Cause you say, you know, me ever find out, so I bun this girl and give me.
Bro, don't make no girl put herself in a problem, you know. We tell you all the while, don't put all the egg them in a one basket.
So what you mean by?
Don't put see Easter around the corner, pay a bun and give right now.
So what you mean by? Where I trying to tell me, say, my woman I give me bun.
You know, see yourself. If you should tell her say she gonna link her friend and her friend gonna link you for her. What I say, no bunny I get that.
So how you sure that?
Common sense, but common sense.
A long time she left here, you know. So probably she can't get something to eat or go somewhere else. You don't know, you're not have your money yard. So why you have to think that you have your money yard? And I can't chat about bun.
Come like when common sense I give you never go in there like.
Bro, you're not a good
Come,
friend, bro.
I mean, me a good
Bro,
friend.
you're not a good friend, dog. Cause if you're the good friend, bro, you wouldn't think some woman I give me bun, dog.
Bad man, listen no man.
Yeah, let's see.
Me not tell you no foolishness. A girl I give a bun.
Yo, you know, you have to say that. Cause you're not a good friend.
Don't put it. See me I tell
Bro,
you, last time
bro,
I
me
tell
know you're
you,
not a fan,
don't
bro.
put the egg them in one basket.
Well, bro, just easy, man.
Come like say, you know nothing. Right? Well, if your girlfriend tell you say, darling, careful, and your friend come over. That don't mean say he gone somewhere else then.
How you feel tell me? You look nice, sir.
Thanks, look nice every day.
Man say that. So you say I'm going. Serious about me?
Yes! I'm not serious about them, I text you every day.
So I don't want to deal with nobody and they have no money. You know, man.
Me nah no man, tell me. If me did have a man, why would I text you? Why me dey text you every 24 so I'm there at night, 2 o'clock in the night. Me I text you.
No, you understand?
Papa, you have woman you talk?
No. Only woman might be me have on my bike. I hit me ride every day.
Oh.
The only woman could have sent me.
Well, me no have no man. The only man me have on my phone. Yes, me not no man. Single and free.
So that means me and can get together then.
Yeah. We can make it work as long as you not give on.
No, not even for Easter, me not give on. Right now, that's why I left my other work, you know. Because they say Easter time and everybody have to find somebody to give on. I say, me not do that. I left it to eat my work. Show you how I'm loyal.
I'm loyal. I'm delusional.
That you call it.
Bun was somebody eating and want to give nobody? Oh, that makes
No
sense.
type of bun, you know.
Oh, that makes sense.
No type of bun. Not even bunny, not even bunny rabbit. That's why I'm not name rabbit neither. You hear nice though, so listen.
You kind of get later now still. Me have to go home to go cook some food for my mother. My mother dropped down the other day and get sick, so me have to go home and now. I realize the time as me look myself.
So you can't get some idea.
Some other time, man, we come visit your yard.
You can't get chair.
No, my mother over there, me have to introduce my mother to you.
Alright.
You know, my mother very funny. So I'm not talking to people over there. Because she will see they come and make one bag of knives and don't know you. Yeah, so I'm not over there. You understand? So, me come go because the time really I get late. I don't know if it's fun for me.
Before that though, what me really call it for you?
It's what?
So me then I'm not sure.
Yeah, we're there. We don't want a relationship.
Alright, and you don't have no other man.
I have no other man. I swear on you like that I don't have any man.
Alright.
Come. Yes.
I'm going to reach home. Tell my mother say hi.
Yeah, me shall tell me that say hi. Later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oi.
Adia.
But so why are you so happy? What's with you?
missing me long time best friend from the year. She said to tell her hi.
Come here. Something right. Me not feel like
The phone, me don't remember the password.
What you mean you don't remember your password?
Me don't know how me remember the password. Me just can't remember the password.
Give me your phone. Pull your phone here.
And the password me can't remember. Me just say me don't remember the person them to get it from me. I get the phone.
Take me for idiot.
I must say this screen change. So me know if it's ID now work.
I still don't know how to you have to pull that today.
Jesus, check that. Are your name?
I have to pull that today.
You know what? Make your phone tell me.
Don't touch
Come here, son.
Don't touch me. Pull the phone.
For the other days I get aggressive for me.
You say pull the phone.
I say the phone now work. You not hear me? I say me don't know the password. Make the phone stay. Pull your phone, give me. Do that. Pull your phone, give me.
Hey, you don't need to pull my phone, brother. I know that to him. No, my password not change. The point is your phone.
Well,
Your phone.
I mean not hide. See there? Oh, the armor. Lucky by the fuck I just knock off. This is my password. See there. See there.
How old is that?
I'm a new cousin. I'm meant to come tell you.
So how me don't know this a cousin?
Cause he knew what do me get his number.
And he must send a demo text and you reply so.
Yes, if you know one that I'm a cousin.
Yo, how old is that?
It's my cousin, I'm a new cousin.
You idiot girl.
Maybe I take a for idiot.
What kind of cousin that the man maybe?
New cousin, and you say new. And the other day, my mother introduced me to him. I must get to know one that be. Don't worry yourself, I'm a cousin.
No, you know, brother.
I'm a new cousin, man.
Yo, I don't want, bro.
Come.
True, me love you, you know that.
Me love you too.
Bro, me don't want to have that thought that, bro, in my mind say, oh, you didn't give me no bone. So.
No, I will never give you bun
True,
bean.
me love you, you know that.
Me love you when I yell when me want me not need nobody else.
Just make sure you don't give me no bone.
Me not give no bun, why would I give
Me
you?
there, I kick it real with you, you know.
I hit me I do too. I hit me the other day, me see text message name phone, you know. You tell me about how are you bridge now your phone. Well, I'm a cousin. Let me understand.
So yeah, you.
Me not do no. You can't look for something to eat. Me hungry. Look what something to eat. Don't worry about that. Me love
Where
you yet. If I want a chicken or something, anything we have. Me get something.
Alright.
Yeah. I go to start doing the chat here.
Don't say I did, you know.
Same thing as usual, if I go and see me can.
I can't see you from right now.
You know me? Eh?
I don't know really.
Go club. Go club my best place, brother. Cause right now me I tell you some things that I see in life, you know. You can't
Rum make you see things.
Huh?
Rum make you see things.
So his spirit, you get his spirit. The spirit is always the best way to reveal stuff, is confidence. You never know that? Eh? You never know that? If you understand life, bro.
I know what is it about. When I feel my boy, see? I tell me, say, see him woman tell him say I'm gonna check him friend, right? But when he check a stock in there in the house, and the friend, when woman say I'm gonna check, come and look for her. No bunny might get.
No, sir, you might get what is called justice.
Sorry. Really?
No problem, man. Bring it in the sheet. We shall a justice. Let me tell you something.
Justice.
You see, when me find out somebody wanna give me bun, me not call the bun again. Cause it's a must. You understand? It's a must. Cause you know you work 100,000. When you give 95, I take 5, and you feel like so she appreciate your gesture. And you take it go down? Hot up himself. No! You see now listen.
Or some of them will
She
take it.
go hot up herself and go with her friend them go look. You understand what I say? Some of them take you and give money, yes, but then every one of them stay so.
Well, my brother say him not get bun. And me I tell him the truth, say him a get bun.
I've been a time, no. Don't put all the egg in one basket.
How much celebration again? Yeah, time about.
This was this some man, TV.
TV,
Yeah.
TV, I eat that, you know? You know what I eat that? How much time I tell the man say, yo, I can go out free remind? Eh? Why we are running the human and for spend half of them? We are running them down for spend free money. We work hard and we get the money now. We are, hello, please can I get a conversation? And then when them do now feel like say, then give you a chance. And you have to spend on them? Hey, you see, justice is what we need in life. You know, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy. I don't know you not get in. You not get
drunk, pal.
No, I'm drunk. What is drunk? Eh?
Oh, yeah, go on, you know.
No, I'm free. You ask me, I say, I look for you, you're stiff. You said to your tell them, sir. Like you're a robot. No, brother, you're loose yourself, man.
Pal, come on down, come on down.
Come on, you go on down. Come up.
So we are going on
you
the road.
If you come up, huh?
We are going on the road.
Me there on the road, you see.
I don't call your sister for you, okay? Last time I drunk in the trim, you know.
Don't call her, you know, because right now, box out the next teeth, you know. Because you see, you have 3 teeth. I will tell you, yo.
Don't move. Don't call your sister.
Don't call her, bro. They're going to take me room. Yo!
I'll go and back there.
Yeah, man, how are you?
There, man, I'm from there.
Yes, I'll finish washing door.
Oh, this here up on the road.
What do you mean, man?
You want to fix up, too?
Tell them worry about.
Really, pan.
Yeah, man, I'm holding it now.
You don't really come take a pan, though.
What that?
Yes. The thing where they woman chat to me. What be a boy or woman? Yeah, it's hard out. I know it's hard, you know.
I don't know.
See you get down to the bottom of it yet.
No, brother. I'm not trying to say one bag of things are going, brother. Think it's easy if you get over and get done too.
You see Paul, you know. And me a show Paul the priest, say. Feel be a do very. But you and I run my tell about something about justice, yeah, get a humble. But me call him the next day. When he's sober and fresh, I must say, boy, it's like a bunny I get. You need to start it out. Because you know him and them all look on yours, I eat that.
No funny, brother. God no.
Worse if I man in a lane, they might chat to you. You know if the man will laugh over you.
I'm not thinking so, you know. Yo, you be paying me, dog. You think some woman will give me one for real?
Me think she'll get a bun. You know why?
Why?
Because there's no way she tell us that she gone somewhere and he end up that she not gone nowhere. Why should they explain and tell us that she go?
So, I don't know if I salt more and salt so better or whatever, but
Open your eye, man, she a grow on you, bro.
you need to go on science, man.
You know what you need to do? Take her out of your house, that you need to do.
Try moving somebody else.
Moving a proper girl. They were really a loose girl for a long time, brother. For a long time, your dog tell you. But it'll make you link to you. And you're still in it. I say you look strong.
I don't really want to let that girl that's still in her, brother.
Yeah, we can't tell her for you. We just can't tell her what happened. But only thing I tell her is, if you see her on a mission or nothing, me know that me I can't tell her that.
Mine I want you and
If
Paul
you don't want, what?
Mine I want you and Paul want no money, no.
When me and Paul, you know me have my woman over my yard. When me I do it for you, take her in.
That not say. Right one to come and come both.
We are telling you the right thing.
You sure, man? Because I know how no friends stay, you know.
You know, so you see that this is the thing we don't like, go tell her, you know. You always going to make me feel like me a lie to you, bro.
Yo, bad man, let me see that for myself.
I make me feel like I want to.
I'm fed up and tired of this now, bro. Let me feel that for myself or see that for myself.
So you don't believe say woman a cheat?
I not say it's impossible, but let me see that for myself. Because I know how no friends stay, you know, brother. Every day you come on me and work, woman I give them bun, this, that.
Want to know one woman.
Make sure to tell her this, you know. If me see her on no apps, I don't nothing. I straight over here, me and come. If you don't want to listen, you listen. Don't know if you don't listen, man, then go laugh off you and take him heed. That you can't make love a day, so brother.
Brother, but stop chat, brother.
Now look at me.
Just lift up part of me.
Now look at me. You're not here.
Yeah, man, keep your time going.
Like as me I say, it not go work out. Me think it a go work out because me need a man. I want a man me want. Me no want a boy. If me talk to you about something I say, never mind and this and that and one bag of something. You not work right. You not go work out at all. Yes, because you cost one bag of pepper with me, my man and me yard, and you not give me no joy or nothing. So it not go work out. Yeah man. Nah, what me sorry.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You look so sad. Can't talk to me no more. Can't talk to me, man. You look so sad.
Me just know you gotta tell me problems, son.
Worry yourself, man. You're right person.
Good evening,
Solve all
good evening.
problems. Alright,
Good
auntie,
evening.
big up. Alright person to solve all problems. You say the sun bright. Someone is not bright. I like how you look, man. See you smile there already. Don't be sad, man.
No, that's not like a problem. Like my boyfriend, he just break up with me and gone.
Yeah, if you just listen
Just
where,
give me bone.
yeah, if you just listen where the world I go to now. Yeah, if your man not be right thing, yeah, if you just listen.
No, me left him, do him left me?
I not tell you what to do, but
No man, he already left me. Me single right now. He already left me.
ready to mingle. Me always see
No,
and
man.
I admire your skill and I kind of like his slim thing, you know.
Me kinda like a chubby thing too.
You watch you, man.
See, really big and nice. Comfortable pillow this, you know.
Put your number in my
Yeah, me
phone.
give me number.
What your name do?
My name is Kayla. What's yours?
One JR, then call me.
Alright, JR.
I'm
But-
gonna say it again because I don't like me to go out on a nice little date.
You can't see me anytime. Just ring me, bird.
So what about later then? 'Cause me nah know-
Later,
nah
you
do
can call me later. You can call me anytime you want to call me.
that me I go look bad.
But me come down the road I know. But if I call my phone and you never know my background, I'm my father. I'm living with my father. My father kind of sick me. Me have heart disease.
So what are you?
Me?
Me?
Me a big woman, man. Me a 19.
Don't you have to live with your father?
No, my father sickly. So I have to make him turn in the house. I live by myself in a but my father moving last year.
Oh, me get
Me have heart disease, heart failure and then something there.
me here talk, you know, them the thing there. If from you in my life, you don't have to worry about no
Yeah.
money we spend for you.
That's
That's
why.
like a problem. You know.
Yeah, that's why my man did left me too, because he said he can't have the problem. Father sick, let me say sick. I don't have this alone, I have all type of disease, or sometimes he talk foolishness. And I shoot up your place and something. So if you understand, so if you call me, you know, man, at the background, you say I'm father, I tell you for now.
No, I know your father, me I deal with that, you, me I deal with that.
Oh,
Don't have no problem.
yes.
Once me I hear from you, me go, okay.
Alright, no worry about why in the background.
Okay, that no mind, man. What makes you not lie, tell me still.
No, I will never tell you a lie, I don't tell a lie.
Later, me see you
Alright,
finish
later.
the conversation,
Where
yeah?
you go now?
I don't find the road that's me
Alright,
go
later.
think of one. Another way there.
No, me not go nowhere, me already find you already, but I need to go down the road. Right, later, go on.
Me call, yeah?
Yeah, call me.
Alright.
Bye bye. As one gone, another one come. Yes, you dirty girl.
Oh, yeah, I come from.
Where you come from?
So you know me there on yourself.
Because if you don't run at the front, you don't run at the back, I do
Where
something.
are?
I meant to attack you from the other day about something.
Come attack me.
Oh, you feel come over my man yard and go tell me man say, me don't come in your yard.
You don't come on me yard?
Girl, I come in your yard in the day, remember good say me come in your yard.
So what me did there?
You was there. And I come in your yard. You know, tell the man say me come in your
So
yard.
if you come on me yard, or me reach here yard, I look for you.
Remember, see, after I come in here, you know, me left here and go about my business. Who
Where you
send
go?
you on me
Where you
yard?
go?
That's not your business. Me go link me other man. Who send you on me
No,
yard?
you should have told me say I go like the other man. So
You
me
don't
never
need
think for
to
them
know
man
my business. You have sense. You don't do what me man yard. What yard
Me
do
go
what
to
me man?
him, go tell him,
Go
look
do
for you.
what?
Me da look for
Why
you.
you look for me for me loss?
Mama,
Me
I
lost.
look for you to tell us something, but I did not see.
We did want to tell me so
Me don't remember.
important that it have to be important if you're rich. I mean, man, that 10 months I never come here yard.
I
you know.
don't remember.
A friend like a uno me no like.
A girl pity like a uno man no want. You need to make up your mind if I him you want or him you want. You can't tell me say you got him. And when me go to him, I him you the day.
You're supposed to know that.
No, I'm not supposed to know.
You're supposed to have sense.
You're supposed to have sense. You're a girl picnic. A one man. If you don't want the man, left the man alone.
So who tells me no want me, man?
Then what you do, Davy?
Breaking news. The relationship done.
Good. Never makes
It's
sense.
the next man me have now, a chubby belly man. Him nice and short. New man me have now. What the problem? What the issue?
Yeah, girl pick me, you're not supposed to go from man to man to man to man.
Me supposed to go from man to man. One man can't manage me. One man can't manage
Why
all
not
of
left
this.
that one day?
No, I'm a man that.
So what you do with big belly man? What did the
No, you're not going to bash my man belly. I don't know testimony. You're not going to bash him belly. It's called comfort. In belly now black. Nothing what I have done there.
Well, for your business, you must know you want it.
My
something
girl.
black or something not black.
Me ask one good question. Why you so eager for me left my
Because
man?
a man like that deserve better.
How you know say deserve better? You
Because me know him.
Girl, you make me pray you know.
Pre me all the one, but me a pre you.
You make me pray
You move like an undercover whore.
No, you come like an undercover tech friend man.
Mama, if me did want him, me take him yesterday when me guy me and you never did here. He did put sweetheart to me, never know. So think again.
What's a man that do?
Nothing. Think again.
Man that put sweetheart to you.
Stop move like an undercover whore and talk to this, that. Stick to the one man.
Alright.
It's not the money.
Make it on, make it stay, make it stay. It's like what me I do, it a hurt you. What me I do, it a hurt you. Are you a man?
Mama not
None of them is not your man, so why
me
that
and
bother
your friend, if me want
You
to
know
go to the
what?
road, you hear say Kayla and her whore friend.
You know what? They will cut the camera right here so. Cause when I get just open my eyes brightly. No, me feel like me know where you come and me I go do your sturdy, you know.
Come here, come look for you.
Feel like say no me you come look for me. No. You have sense, girl. You know say me not have me yard.
If me did come look for your man with a collect him number.
Don't worry yourself. Over me they go. Me got me right now. Me am going to have powder.
I'm trying to beat the boy. Boy come like them idiot.
Babe. Take the foot for me kick up on your sick foot.
What?
How my friend come over here the other day, yeah, right? And yeah, sweet talk or yeah, look her. What that for?
Which one of your friend look?
Shanice.
Me a sweet talk, Shanice.
Yeah, she say yeah, sweet talk or yeah, look her. How that go? Tell me how that go now. And the day me come in here, cuss me like one of the most way. And I tell me say my friend say me not come over there.
And girl come and look me. I tell me say yo, she want me carry her out. I'm run her through the gate.
No man, I lie.
What you mean
That
about a
sound
lie?
like I want lie. It's a very big lie. You know, so if any other day I not trust you, if any other day I feel like you give me ball.
You don't say how everybody else listen to me. When you come and tell me, you don't want to listen to me.
So why you not tell me say she has sweet talk if any day? You there look her.
I would have to ring her phone and put you back.
You know I say I wanna me father friend and father brethren like you have piece of work to give me father. Piece of hustling. A piece of hustling you have to give me father.
Yeah, hello? Hello?
Hello? Yeah, me just reaching and I talk to my father. That's why I couldn't answer the first time. Yeah man, they can't spell me man, they can't come later. Later we can go out. What time later?
Anytime we go to them, man. Anytime we go to them, now it's impossible.
No. Me I go beat my father and something. So later 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock good or 8 o'clock too late?
Well, as I say, anytime okay, you say me 8 o'clock, so yeah, sound great.
Alright, 8 o'clock then.
Alright, so when you go get ready, you just call me and let me know so you get me at the right time and where.
Alright. Yeah. Later, yeah?
Yeah, be as we are say.
A girl come here one day a flirt with me, which is your friend, Shanice.
Me don't have that. Me don't have that. Me I go in was in the fee, but this later, just get a call say my grandmother dropped down. So later me don't go to hospital and I visiting time. Me soon left anyways. Me all look was to eat before me left. You hear?
Alright.
Yeah. No worry about that. Me believe in me. No worry. Me know you know what I'm like a scabby girl there.
Every time I just come here, you want to cut left me.
No worry about that. No worry about that.
I don't trust that guy for gonna be a father.
Me not come to stay. Me can't go in there. Me come to stay. Remember say my father have heart disease. We can't stand too long. Since that father come up here, me have to go and look by 6 o'clock.
Come here, listen, man. I know you're going like say you can grow on me.
Me nah go round here, baby. Me nah go round, but my father come first. Me know in the car come and go call too long and he heart go skip a beat.
No, that's what I say. Yes, your father come first, but me in our relationship, me come first also. Me nah go tell you to put your father over me, but that's what I say. You have to have time for your relationship.
Me didn't have time for my relationship the other night we did at the bar. That was time.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, me never did a rush it because we have a drink. And
Yeah,
when
after,
we drink,
yes.
Yeah, but you never come home with me. And now we finally... No, listen, you know what take no time.
Me have to go with you, man.
You see, me a boy, I like it quickie, but if me have to take it, me take it. That's what it. Oh, you see, you're nice and pretty.
Alright. Alright, you have to be quick. Hurry, come father, come. Pull him up.
Watch out, I'm getting nervous.
Alright. Jesus, it's not funny that. I'm horrible. Oh,
Alright, call me here.
yeah.
Alright. Money don't give me nothing.
Me,
Where you come from?
I go back with my uncle.
I come back bend up so.
I say my uncle, he makes some porridge, some caramel porridge and pudding and cake and one bag of something. And I say me chewy and me greedy, me eat everything.
So you tell me say from morning you left out of yard, no you not come back.
Me don't eat, babe.
Even if I'm not a fair man, see how much ramen me have to make.
My man me cook something better, give it, but me no feel like I can make something better, but I'm hurt.
You know say me believe say you peel me.
People not feel how feel be nice, so me I sleep with you, babe.
So where you there from morning?
I'm a me uncle, me there, he look but me when for the porridge, man. The porridge is too water, he had to all curry in that porridge.
The wicked uncle man.
Me know them kill me, me never chew anytime if do something for me name do it.
Probably can't cook, you know, next time I'm in front of him, man.
I'm going like...
Go on in, man, I make some tea here. So uncle wicked, man.
Watch out, man.
That is bad charges.
I deal with a long time, I see you youth.
If you tell her that.
Boy, I tell you, say, walk up me, I wear youth. I deal with short on the road a long time, I deal with do two flossing.
You have to go on there in there, you know, that car. Right now, walk up me, I wear to dog, you have to put in some up, dog, because you know. All the bills you have to pay in a dog, and for my mom, it's not hooking up, so. You have to press the line hard, dog.
Before you tell us to get up now, work time. What you do, youth?
The girl something, dog, you know, feel good for when I know. So, you need to work with you still, you know, dog. But in top, kind of feel so good.
I see him girl like that. When I hear the argument in the street says she a cheat on you.
But I don't believe so not go so dog.
Boy, if somebody I tell her he come like he nearly go so, or he go so.
No dog, like me go sit up for watch her for me.
So what you take me for? Watch man? Never you tell a man if you watch your woman.
Bro,
Me a virgin, yes.
Bro, I true, me trust her, bro, and rate her, bro.
But when in a relationship mash up now, you go say me come tell a business now and then your woman I go hate me. Alone, me no business if you want to hate me. But me no business on the relationship problem.
As a G, you never can do nothing for me, brother. You stand to that.
Brother, stop most of that. I might make people here talk them foolish and they are going like I just know we link bill. A long time I'm a G and you.
Bro, true, me trust her, bro, I rate her, bro. Me no believe in how people are say dog I road, brother, tell me about me girl, dog. You're supposed to can watch girl for me, dog, and come make me know if I true people are chat, dog.
Watching a man, remember say no. Me no over here for one long period of time, you know. Remember say your sister did that tell lie for me so me take out no time room and me never do that, you know. So me did just ease off from over here, you know, brother. Remember say me did over here so every day we there, you know. And you over for me every day we have flask and a brass, you know. So me not even know your woman, how your woman look. Me goodly see my road right now and walk past it.
You know that, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, so me turn up here, so me a grown you. What you mean me a grown you?
If you did willing and interested, bro, you could have let me show you my woman, bro.
No, but why? Why me like a G or just run come up and tell me to show you woman?
Me will show you my woman, bro. I want to watch it right for me, bro.
Brother, me not do them the job there, I'm general, you know. But me say, and I like if me not see her on the road, I do something, me not go and tell her. You see me, because me not make no woman disrespect me, nigga. So me not go and tell her, but me not watch, man. Nobody now watch my woman for me, you know.
Yo, me
alone if you watch it.
Listen, man, me more to believe you, dog, when you come tell me things, dog. Me not gonna believe the rest of them, dog.
Well, when me see her, just send me a picture from WhatsApp, but me not really know watch, man.
Alright.
Yo, me even want to know a picture from your woman to really. You and your woman start out a relationship.
Nah, man.
Because if you hear say I'm cheap, brother, you have to just 1 foot in and 1 foot out. Somebody can't tell you one something and you don't believe it. You have to believe, brother, in a girl nowadays. Most of them don't loyal.
Nah, man, pray that. I'm going to run up on the road, you know.
Oh, yeah, the run up on the road?
Yeah, man, link up. I'll grab some things down.
Alright, when I end there, I'm going to link it out, because if you get pay any moment now, so
yeah, have a drink one of the
right,
day, man.
I eat me a look boy. You
Long
get
time.
it? Alright, my father, I say alright.
Yeah.
I go check my father. Well, I see that. B! TB! Yes, I know, baby. That's how when.
Alright now, I don't mind. You just lay down on my bed with my whole day.
We can spend 2 minutes, but we can't stand too long because my father have heart disease. I have to watch him.
Oh, you take for 2 minutes, man.
But remember my father come first. I can't do them someday.
It's not me, I say, man. You know, so I have to pay somebody to see their father because I can't bother them the little time there, you know.
I have to go do for true.
I don't work them the time there. For me time in all on 2 hours more in here.
Alright. Me I come on now.
Funny thing and jiggle.
Me I come on now. Give me 1 hour or so. Oh, leave my father's here.
Well, yeah, but give me some different things.
Me I look for my father so me left nothing not doing so me can't stand longer. And cook us. So give me 1 hour.
Alright, let me call you again because they wait for him here.
Alright. Baby! This will come back there. I say, what do you? My grandmother just drop and slip out her knee. So come back here?
Just stay long enough.
Me not tell you, my grandmother, man, wait.
Very good. Call a boy, yeah, man. Give me 1 minute, idea. Yo, bro.
How you doing?
There, one. How are you there?
No, say up on my block me they do a boy want look filthy come link me so she me and wait for no head upon.
Boy, I'm just say more come get a link.
I mean man, you know you're a friend man, for them man now go and beat off a flask around before me check in.
Alright, me have forward enough you.
Alright.
Me don't know me really care man. Even the field tree good enough.
Finally reached.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
Alright. Get some of that stuff. Now we're going to the house.
No man, in the fresh water now. The only time you have to go in there is when we go start the football match.
Oh,
and right now we have set up seats, so we're not ready to go in there to kick off the ball.
So get me sit down there now.
We just say a while ago, baby. You can't see your man sit down yet and you tell me if you want to sit down. Sit down for your man foot. Watch on man.
Alright. Say alright. Say this and I'll make you carry me this moment.
So I'm saying alright, now I tell you say, when you give me it one time. But what you hear that thing them say? You're a good ton boy and a mad man.
Yeah, I'm mad out.
Not even work me now, but I just think.
You have to go work. If you don't go work, how you going to make money? How you going to feed me?
Right now, I see you now, like my mind steady and I'm very focused.
Yeah, I want the one root yourself. I want to root up. I want a new one. I don't want you to meet me now. You have to change it.
I was like, I'm going to pull up the other day to show.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to deal with this here, man.
Yeah.
You know, say, I'm my baby, so you have to look good, you know.
I want to know. Like. I alone me want, I don't want nobody else.
You serious?
Yeah. Where do somebody that have you?
It's like, come like me really find my man.
Yeah, me and forever. I soon moving in about after I leave my father.
You get it?
Long time.
You stay up for 3 days and feel like it.
No, tell you, so if you come link you, so I say, I come look for you. Because you sleep, I sleep, you know.
But me, so right now, I'm just want to run a pattern, I'm just enjoy myself.
You can't do that. Can't do all of that.
Yeah, look how much money I have on the account.
What is man? Kayla? How him?
How you to him?
Me say how him?
What, gentlemen?
Me say how him?
Friend of my friend.
How the girl is here?
How the girl is here? I'm a woman.
You reach to the end of the movie. Remember to like, share and subscribe and drop your honest comment down below as usual. You understand? And share the movie to your family and friends. No, share the movie, man. Share them. You see me? Share it, go make it go global, big man. You see me? Big up.